everyone, welcome back to our English Easy Way channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Today we're going to learn about two very important words in English.
That's right, we're talking about much and many. These words help us talk about quantity, how much or how many of something we have.
Don't worry if this seems confusing. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly when to use each one.
Let's start with a story. Mike, tell everyone what happened to you yesterday.
Okay, so yesterday I went to the supermarket. I needed to buy things for a party at my house.
Oh, a party. Did you have many guests coming?
Yes, I invited many friends, about 20 people.
Did you hear that? Mike said many friends. We use many with things we can count. Friends, you can count them. 1 friend, 2 friends, 3 friends.
Exactly. So I made a shopping list. I needed many things. Apples, oranges, bottles of water.
Many apples, many oranges, many bottles, all countable.
But here's where I made a mistake. At the store, I also needed to buy juice, milk, and sugar.
Those are different, right, Mike?
Yes, I should say I needed much juice, much milk, and much sugar.
We use much with things we cannot count individually. You can't say 1 milk, 2 milks, 3 milks. You just say milk.
Let me write this down for everyone. On screen, text appears. Many equals countable nouns, plural. Much equals uncountable nouns.
Here's the easy way to remember. If you can count it, use many. If you cannot count it, use much.
Let's practice. Sarah, I'll say a word and you tell me much or many.
Okay, I'm ready.
Much or many.
Cars. Many cars. I can count. 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars.
Perfect. Now, water.
Much water. I cannot count water. I can count bottles of water, but not water itself.
Excellent. Let's try more examples.
Mike, let me ask you some questions using much and many. Everyone at home, listen carefully. Do you drink much coffee?
Yes, I drink much coffee every day. Maybe 3 or 4 cups.
To camera, much coffee is correct because coffee is uncountable. But notice we can say many cups of coffee because cups are countable.
That's a great point. Now let me ask you, Sarah, do you have many books at home?
Yes, I have many books, about 100 books. I love reading.
Many books. Countable. How about this? Do you spend much time reading?
Yes, I spend much time reading every week.
To the camera, much time, because time is uncountable.
Let's look at some common countable nouns where we use many.
Pointing to the screen. Examples with many. Many people. 1 person, 2 people. Many students. 1 student, 2 students. Many chairs. 1 chair, 2 chairs. Many questions. 1 question, 2 questions. Many days. 1 day, 2 days. Many ideas. 1 idea, 2 ideas.
Let's make sentences.
There are many people in this coffee shop today.
I have many questions about English grammar.
She studied for many days before the exam.
Now let's look at uncountable nouns where we use much. Examples with much. Much money, not 1 money, 2 monies. Much information, not 1 information. Much work, not 1 work, 2 works. Much advice, not 1 advice. Much music, not 1 music. Much rice, not 1 rice.
Let's make sentences with these.
I don't have much money right now.
She gave me much advice about my career.
Is there much work to do today?
He doesn't listen to much music.
Now, this is very important. We often use much and many in questions.
Let's practice question forms together.
How many friends do you have?
I have many friends, maybe 30 close friends.
How much money do you need?
I need much money for my vacation, about $2,000.
Did you notice? How many for countable things, how much for uncountable things.
Let's do more question practice. Everyone at home answer these questions out loud.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 3 languages: English, Spanish, and French.
How much sleep do you get every night?
I get about 7 hours of sleep. We also use much and many in negative sentences.
That's right. Listen to these examples.
I don't have many friends in this city. I'm new here.
She doesn't drink much soda. She prefers water.
We don't need many chairs. Only 5 people are coming.
He doesn't have much experience, but he's learning fast.
Negative plus many, I don't have many problems. Negative plus much, she doesn't eat much bread.
Mike, we should tell them about a lot of.
Oh yes, this is very useful. You can use a lot of with both countable and uncountable nouns.
This makes life easier. Look at these examples. I have a lot of friends. I have a lot of money. She drinks a lot of coffee. He has a lot of books.
A lot of works for everything. It's perfect for beginners.
But it's still important to learn much and many because native speakers use them all the time, especially in questions and negative sentences.
Okay, everyone, let's test your knowledge. We'll give you sentences and you choose much or many.
Ready? Here we go.
Number 1, I don't have much time today. Much or many?
Pause. The answer is much. Time is uncountable.
Number 2, how many students are in your class? Much or many?
Pause. Many students are countable.
Number 3, she doesn't drink much milk. Much or many?
Pause. Much milk is uncountable.
Number 4, do you have many questions? Much or many?
Pause. Many questions are countable.
Number 5, there isn't much sugar in my coffee. Much or many?
Pause. Much sugar is uncountable.
How did you do? If you got all 5 correct, you're doing great.
Let's talk about common mistakes that English learners make.
Mistake number 1, saying many people.
That's wrong. People are countable, so we say many people.
X, many people are here. Right, many people are here.
Mistake number 2, saying many money.
Wrong, money is uncountable, so we say much money.
X, I don't have many money. Right, I don't have much money.
Mistake number 3, saying many informations.
Information is always uncountable in English. We say much information, never many informations.
X, she gave me many informations. Right, she gave me much information.
Let's use much and many in real conversations.
Situation 1, at a restaurant.
Excuse me, how much does this cost?
It costs $15.
And how many pieces of chicken come with it?
It comes with 6 pieces.
To the camera, how much for price, uncountable, how many for pieces, countable.
Situation 2, talking about work. Do you have much work today?
Yes, I have much work. I also have many meetings, 5 meetings today.
To the camera, much work, uncountable, many meetings, countable.
Situation 3, shopping. I need to buy many things today, eggs, apples, and bananas.
Do you need much milk?
Yes, I need much milk, 2 bottles, please.
Great job, everyone. Let's review the main points.
Many equals countable nouns, things you can count. Many books, many people, many cars.
Much equals uncountable nouns, things you cannot count. Much water, much money, much time.
Questions, how many, how much,
Easy option, use a lot of for both.
Remember, if you can count it, use many. If you cannot count it, use much.
Practice these every day. Use them when you speak English.
Thank you so much for watching.
If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Leave a comment below. Write one sentence using many and one sentence using much.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Happy learning. Goodbye.
Things you can count. Many books, many people, many cars.
Much equals uncountable nouns, things you cannot count. Much water, much money, much time.
Questions, how many, how much. Easy option, use a lot of for both.
Remember, if you can count it, use many. If you cannot count it, use much.
Practice these every day. Use them when you speak English.
Thank you so much for watching.
If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Leave a comment below. Write one sentence using many and one sentence using much.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Happy learning. Goodbye.